that awkward moment, right? You log onto a meeting and there's only one other person there, and you know you have to wait for another person or maybe a couple more people. And you don't know the person who's there very well. So you're thinking, do I have to make conversation in English with this person? Well, you know I'm going to tell you yes, you should make conversation. But how? Well, it's very simple. Some research has shown that just by writing down some topics of conversation and putting the paper in your pocket when you're going to make small talk can make you more confident in making small talk. So I suggest you do the same thing. Before the meeting, write down one question that you can ask to start a conversation with the other person. It can be a very simple question. How's it going there? Very open. Or maybe a very boring one, but we English love to talk about it. What's the weather like there? And just use that to start a conversation. Don't be afraid. It will give you a chance to practice your fluency, get to know somebody else, and make a great impression.